Here's a quick tutorial for how to share cameras through the UNV-Link app. First, open the app on your phone and navigate to the UNV-Link menu at the bottom left. Then, tap the three dots beside your device and select Share to open the sharing page. You can add a user by typing their email address into this box. Make sure they've already registered for an account on the Uniview-Link app, or you'll get an error message saying the user does not exist. Now tap Share at the bottom, and the other user will immediately have access on their device. If you don't see the shared device, refresh the home page by swiping down in the middle of the screen. Once it refreshes, you'll be able to view the cameras. There are also advanced sharing options. For example, you can set an expiration date for the sharing by changing the validity period and then choosing Custom. You can also share your cameras by generating a QR code and sending it to someone else. Tap the QR code option and then enter a name for the QR code, which is basically a label for your own reference. And optionally, enter a password that only the other person will know. This makes it so you need the QR code and the verification code in order to add the device. Uniview also allows you to share specific cameras only. To do this, you need to tap on Select Device and then uncheck the NVR from the list. Then go to Select Channel tab and choose which channels you want the other user to have access to. When they try to access the cameras on their phone, they will only see the cameras that you've shared with them. Uniview-Link also allows you to set the permissions for the other user. The types of permissions that you can restrict include Live View, PTZ control, two-way audio, alarm message, playback, and device configuration. For example, if you remove the other user's playback permission, they'll get a message saying that they don't have permission. The Sharing Management tab allows you to revoke or edit sharing permissions to users you've previously shared the cameras with. You can find this option under the Me tab at the bottom right of Uniview-Link. In this tab, you'll see a list of all users that you've shared with. By selecting a user, you can see which devices they have access to. You can remove devices from their account by tapping on Edit Sharing and unchecking the device in the list. And finally, you can completely remove sharing with a user by tapping on the Stop Sharing button. This will immediately prevent them from being able to access the cameras in the Uniview-Link app.